My name is Sushrut Karpe. I'm from Pune, and the past 10 years I have been into the photography industry. So I started photography when one of my earlier times photograph with the initial photograph got featured and exhibited, and I got awarded for the same. It was around in 2013. Since then I have been pursuing my passion, and then I have been following up the travel photography. I like to capture the stories, beautiful stories, also the Indian culture, to represent the Indian culture on the national as well as international platforms. So this is why I pursue the photography. These are the four photos that are exhibited over here in Delhi. So the first photo, if you can see that I like the Indian culture, this is one of the holy festival photograph from Mathura, Vrindavan. And yeah, so then I love this photo because it carries the whole gist and the vibes of the overall festival. And then the second one is from the Star Trail, which is one of the rare photo, I would say. This is what I call is a gem of Maharashtra. So one of the scenic beauty of Maharashtra, wherein the river is flowing in the necklace view, and there is a Star Trail over there, which I captured around spending around 4.5 hours in the midnight, capturing all those travel of the midnight stars over there. The another one, which is from the another beauty spot in the Maharashtra, wherein there is a one of the killa, one of the fort from Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj times, is in the back. And if you can see, there is a Milky Way in the sky, and there is a one person standing in front of that yellow circle. So that's a light painting that we did. So then it appears as if the person walked out of the time portal. So that's just a one concept that we did over there. And moving to the next one, the fourth one is kind of very well known photo around in the national international platforms. So this is captured from the North Kerala Thayyam festivals. So this is what we call it the other god. So the performing artist who is dressed up as a god and surrounded with the fire around him, and then the villagers and the localites worship this thing. So this is one of the rituals in the North Kerala. So these are the kind of things that I like to do, and then I like to capture, which conveys the story, which captures the beauty and essence of Indian culture. And this is what I've been doing. I have multiple other photos as well, which kind of conveys the same, which have been exhibited and displayed on multiple platforms throughout nationally, internationally, on the Somerset Hall, London, and the Times Square as well. Yeah, so then this is another opportunity for me to display my work. Along with me, there are many other photographers whose amazing work I have seen over here. And then the response we have got over here is very impressive. The team, the organizing committee, organizing team have managed everything on a very effortless level. They have made sure that all the artists are feel welcome over here. Even the audience who are coming over here to enjoy the photographs are also kind of welcome. So I like this Luna Arts team, and the coordination is, I will highly recommend this as well for the many other photographers.